light. An iguana climbs with all its might, with a scaly tail and colors bold. It walks so cool, so strong, so cold. Climb, climb, iguana tall, on the branches and never fall. Climb, climb, come and see the happy iguana, wild and free. It loves the sun, the warmth and breeze. With its long legs, it moves with ease. Hiding in the trees so high, watching birds in clouds pass by. Climb, climb, iguana tall, on the branches and never fall. Climb, climb, come and see the happy iguana, wild and free. It loves the sun, the warmth and breeze. With its long legs, it moves with ease. Hiding in the trees so high, watching birds in clouds pass by. Climb, climb, iguana